Hello everyone, we are Team AquaMind, a group of 5 members working together on building an intelligent marine pollution monitoring system. And I am Arushi Jain, along with my teammates Ritika, Kriya, Prachi, and Kshitij from Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, Mumbai. We have worked as one team to bring this project to life. Together, we created AquaMind, an advanced AI based ocean health intelligence platform. Marine pollution is rising at an alarming rate, from oil spills to plastic accumulation and industrial discharge to growing ship activity. But the deeper issue is the absence of smart, effective monitoring. We asked ourselves, how can there be a platform that is all in one, a unified smart platform? And our solution was AquaMind. AquaMind is an end to end marine intelligence system that is built for everyone who is responsible for protecting our oceans, from a government agency to researchers, marine authorities, and environmental organizations. AquaMind generates pollution detection, coral health classification, human activity impact score, marine activity insights, forecasted trends, anomaly alerts, and at the end, a unified marine environmental health index, which is a MEHI score, using an interactive, easy to use dashboard. We used latest multi-tiered technologies for building this project. On the front end, we used React.js. On the back end, we used Flask. For ML and AI, we used UNet, EfficientNet, Profit, isolation forests, assembled system regression models, and an LLM with FAISS with trusted data sources like NASA satellite snapshots, NOAA oceanographic data, Open-Meteo weather features, OSM for human activities, and other reliable data sets which make our project more reliable and more efficient. Let's start with the demo. You can start by selecting a location by dropping a pin on the map or either enter the latitudes, longitudes, and other data required by the model manually. This is how we start off by entering the fields. Let's analyze my ocean. The government body will first input an image in the first model, which is your marine pollution detection model. It is based on 300 plus labeled images provided by NASA. It uses UNet segmentation model and results on how the plastic or how the type of pollution is. The next model is coral health analysis model, which is based on 300 plus coral reefs images. And when we run the model, it is powered by EfficientNet and it produces the condition of the coral reef, whether it is healthy, bleached, semi bleached, and tells us the confidence scores of how bleached the coral reef is. The next model is the risk prediction model, which uses NOAA and Open-Meteo environmental data. It tells us the future risk trends over the time. It produces a forecast reports which has salinity, chlorophyll A concentration, and some notes about the ocean in the future. Then we have the human activity analysis model, which is based on profit. It is used to understand the nearby ports, the concentration of human activity in that ocean. Then we have the anomaly detection model, which has NOAA data. Isolation forest identifies the abnormal shifts and outputs anomaly alerts with explanations of how the different fields varies from the threshold values. And at the end, we have the Marine Ecosystem Health Index, which tells us how the ocean level is, how the risk is, how the pollution is. And based on the outputs of the different models, we calculate a score which helps us understand our ocean more better. We can also download a summary in JSON format, which can later be used by the government agencies to improve on their policies and the different models. At the end, when we see the summary, the different KPI cards show us how the ocean has been, what the different models have given output, and gives us a quick dashboard overview. This is how our uh, model looks like, and this was the glimpse of what AquaMind can do, a step towards smarter oceans and a cleaner future. We believe technology can bring the eyes and intelligence of our oceans. This is the end of our video demonstration, and in near future we like to continue this model so that we can build a world that has marine protection driven by real time intelligence. Thank you.